Welcome to the channel, everybody. This is Adventure Jeff 269. There was no good music on YouTube for intros, so you get the voice. We're out here at Evart today, 24-inch single track, hills, sand, rocks, gullies, logs, roots. Everett's got it all. It's good Michigan single tracks, nice and flowy, family event. We got the kids out here. I don't know who that kid is. I was just fist bumping him because he was cool. And I'm with some members of the Michigan Dual Sport and Adventure Riders group. 3 buddies, all on Hondas. You know, think what you will. Anyhow, been on a few rides with these guys before. They lead a good ride. They invited me to this group, or to this ride, and we're just out here having a good time. My buddy Sawyer and I camped with my family the night before, and at a secret location near to the trail. But we rode to the trailhead in the morning, started with these guys, rode the west leg up, got to the Sugar Bowl, played around a little bit at the Sugar Bowl. They went on to do their dual sport thing. I rode back down the east leg to camp. And I believe they came back later and then finished the Evart ride from the Sugar Bowl back to the parking lot. Then Sawyer just came back to camp. Boom. Solid day. Whole family hanging out. Good times. And this little intermediate part here, I'll go ahead and plug. I got a Facebook page, Adventure Jeff 269. I got an Instagram page, Adventure Jeff 269. If you guys follow those, you'll get a little bit more up-to-date pictures. Sorry if you can hear that thunder. We got a bit of a storm going in Michigan while I'm recording this audio. And then you can check out the Facebook page for upcoming group rides and everything like that. Live updates, things like that, whatever. So anyways, I tried to get good segments of Evart that everyone would kind of recognize if they've been here. So we got a little rock garden here. You see me getting a little wild. Still working on form. Gonna fly the left leg over here. I don't know what it's doing out there. Should have been on a peg. Either way, just goobering things up a bit here. Plus a little 180. Park the bike, hop off. Wanted to get some good footage of the boys coming up the hill. We got 2 CRF 450Ls, and Sawyer is in a CRF 250L. And everybody just cruise right up the rock garden, no big deal. So I'll give a quick trail report for the day. We didn't have any rain. It was not too dusty, good and flowy, no traffic really. I don't remember running into anybody but these 2 YZ250s, which you'll see coming up here in a minute. And then I planned on riding with these guys, but my GoPro battery died like as soon as we started riding together. So if you guys are on Michigan Trail Riders group or Dual Sport and Adventure Riders group or whatever, I hope to see you guys again. Sweet bikes. I can dig it for sure.
I'll go with you guys.
Okay, cool.
I'm gonna go with these 2 for a little bit.
I don't know if you guys could hear that audio, but basically these guys started riding right about the same time we did, I think, and we just ended up leapfrogging a few times back and forth. They'd stop, we'd pass them, we'd stop, they'd pass us. It was just kind of funny. So eventually the guy was just like, well, let's just ride together, and I was like, well, yeah, that sounds super cool. A couple YZs. Now we can represent blue. And but anyways, you know how YouTube and GoPro goes. As soon as something that you didn't expect to happen, they would be like cool footage, you know, like, oh, the battery dies, or it's almost like every time your battery's about to die, like something cool is about to happen. So I just carry like 6 or 7 batteries with me and swap them as often as I can, but I always somehow get caught, you know, off my toes. And this is what happened here. And then we got Sawyer bailing on the trench here. I don't know what this is all about. This might be some pond boy stuff here. So I'm gonna ask for some suggestions here. I need to get new grips. So what grips do you guys love? What grips do you guys hate? I ride exclusively trails. I prefer that they work great in all conditions because I occasionally get muddy and I crash and get dirty hands and all that jazz. So drop your suggestions. They can be lock-ons, they can be glue-ons. Just what do you guys like, what do you guys don't like? Also, another suggestion I need is knee braces. I think I'm gonna pass on knee guards. I'd like to do knee braces. What brands you guys like? What brands you guys not like? Sizing, if you got any information like that. Just go ahead and drop suggestions in the comments. Looking forward to these suggestions from some real life users. So we meet back up with the group here, and we're following Daryl. And I don't know what he's got going on here. Some Honda Boy stuff, I think. And then
Oh no!
Sean's doing his Honda Boy thing back there. I don't know what he's got going on. And back to the trail ride. Alright, so me and Daryl are ripping some trails here. If you guys would, please like and subscribe. Also, check out the Facebook page. Leave me comments either on the video or on the Facebook page if you got grip suggestions or knee brace suggestions, trail suggestions, just any suggestions. I'll take them all. And we're about to the sugar bowl, so it's gonna get awesome. All the sand, I love it. It's great. Let the 2-stroke sing, 4-stroke sing. Everything's fun. And I'm gonna just let you guys listen to that, the music, all that jazz. And then I ride down the east leg of the trail, about halfway, somewhere near the bridge. And then I hop off over there and beeline it down some hard pack. Pretty cool high-speed stuff there too. So hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Like and subscribe. Have a good day. See you guys later.
Is that a make? That's cleared, right? People Bros.